Have you ever wanted your text to appear on screen as if it's being typed out in real time? It's a captivating effect that can really enhance your Flutter app. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're diving into how to create a typing text animation in Flutter. I totally get it. You want your text widgets to have that engaging typing effect instead of just popping up instantly. It can be frustrating to think there's no simple way to achieve this. You're definitely not alone in this quest for a smoother user experience. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a simpler approach than using a variable and adding to it inside of setState to create a typing text animation? If you've been wondering the same thing, let's explore some solutions together. So what's the challenge here? The traditional method of using a variable in setState can feel cumbersome and complex. But don't worry, there are more elegant solutions that can simplify your code while still delivering that impressive typing effect. And make sure you stick around. I'll share a fantastic package at the end that can make this process even easier for you. To achieve a typing text animation in Flutter, the user can utilize the built-in animation capabilities. First, they should create a stateful widget to manage the animation state. Next, the user should define a string variable to hold the text they want to display. They will also need a timer to control the typing speed. Now, the user can implement the typing effect. Inside the stateful widget, they should start the timer in the initState method to update the display text gradually. Finally, the user should build the widget to display the animated text. They can use the text widget to show the display text variable. Fun fact, did you know that the first typewriters were invented in the 1860s? They revolutionized the way we write, and now we're bringing that nostalgia into the digital age with animations. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from another user who suggests using the Animated Text Kit plugin. This plugin simplifies the typing text animation process. Here's a code snippet demonstrating how to implement it. You can create a typewriter effect with a list of text strings. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution for creating a typing text animation in Flutter is to use the Animated Text Kit plugin. This method allows you to customize the duration of the typing effect easily. Here's the pro tip I promised. Experiment with different typing speeds and effects to find the perfect fit for your app. This can really enhance user engagement and make your app stand out. And there you have it. You now have a simple way to create typing text animations in Flutter. Remember, using packages can save you time and effort. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Flutter tips and tricks.